I'm going to plant 2 tomato plants next year, and I'm preparing the soil now. I'm using banana peels, coffee grounds, and cornmeal, hoping to attract earthworms. I'm concerned that I could add too much. Is it possible to add too many soil amendments? Please offer some advice. Thank you, and this is Darrell. So Darrell's going to plant 2 tomato plants, right? But he's trying to prepare the soil, right, because he wants to attract earthworms. So what do y'all think about that?
Yeah, well, to answer his question about can you add too many amendments, yes, yes, you can. And I would suggest that Darrell have his soil tested, you know, and just see what it needs.
Don't
guess.
Soil
You know.
test, right.
And it's 2 tomatoes, you know, he may be that, you know, not very big area he's talking about, so
If
I'd
he's got a whole lot of soil amendments, maybe he needs to plant more than 2 tomatoes.
That's why they eat 2 tomatoes.
True.
That way he could spread it out over a larger area.
Right.
Yeah.
Just 2?
Yeah.
I mean, what he's using is, it's fine, but yeah, get your soil tested, right?
Yeah, that's what I'd say first thing. Yeah.
Organic material, humus, all that good stuff.
What
and
about
the
the
earthworms
coffee
that come.
grounds? What about the coffee grounds? Is there, I hear
I know a lot of people that
plus
use
and
them.
minuses.
Yeah, I do
and-
too.
I know a lot of people that use them in community gardens and such.
Yeah, put them in the compost.
Yeah, put it in the
They
compost.
put
Blend
'em
them in and all
compost,
that.
yeah, and blend them all in with everything else.
Right.
You
I
know.
think that'll work.
Yeah.
But cornmeal, now that will attract earthworms. We used to do that when we were trying to attract earthworms for fishing worms, for fishing purposes.
I'd like to know what kind of soil he's got. Like you said, he needs the soil web, doesn't he?
He needs soil web. Check it out. See what,
Yeah.
see what you're sitting on.
Check it out, yeah.
Right. Yeah,
You may not need any of this stuff.
you sure might not. But yeah, to answer your question, yeah, you can add too many.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely do that. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.